Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to update Ford Edge Sync, only way. Start by confirming your sync version and downloading the matching update file from Ford. Prepare a USB drive formatted to FAT32 and copy the update file to its root. Keep the vehicle engine running and avoid interruptions. Follow on-screen prompts in sync settings to begin installation, and be patient as multiple restarts may occur during the process. In this video, I will show how to update Ford Edge Sync, only way. First, pick a reliable USB drive and back up any files on it. Format the drive to FAT32 on your computer to match sync requirements, and then copy the Ford update file directly into the root directory. Safely eject the USB to avoid corruption. A clean, correctly formatted drive prevents most installation failures and speeds up the process. In this video, I will show how to update Ford Edge Sync, only way. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated during long installs with the Owala water bottle because updates can take time and focus. It fits cup holders, has a leak-proof lid, and keeps water cold for hours, making it ideal for garage work. If you want one, check the description for the link and other deals. And if you found this helpful, please subscribe and like. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to update Ford Edge Sync, only way. With the vehicle running, plug the USB into the sync port and go to Settings, then General, then Update Sync. Select the available update and confirm to begin installation. Follow on-screen prompts and allow the process to finish without interruption. The system may reboot several times, and progress bars help you know when the update is complete and safe to remove.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.